Glow ASMR Lab.
Observe the skin's surface in ultra-macro detail. Every pore and melanin patch becomes visible under cinematic dermatology lighting. The camera slowly zooms into one clogged pore, highlighting its hidden texture. Extreme macro shows subtle oil reflections, creating a futuristic clinical atmosphere. The client walks into a sleek, futuristic clinic hallway. The polished marble floor reflects the overhead lights. Close-up of high heels tapping echoes softly, leading into a wide, cinematic view of the glowing, modern aesthetic lab. A stack of $100 bills is placed slowly on the glass counter. Gloved hands count the crisp bills carefully. Then the cash slides gently across the reflective surface, catching cinematic lighting. The lead aesthetician observes the client with serious, professional focus. She nods confidently at three assistants in lab uniforms. Assistants prepare the equipment meticulously on a stainless steel table. A thick black mask spreads smoothly across the client's skin using a silicone brush. Tweezers gently lift the edge of the mask. Under LED dermatology light, the skin begins turning a bright pink, signaling the treatment's activation. A magnifying lamp illuminates the skin, revealing each pore in fine detail. An assistant prepares the facial steamer as gentle steam begins rising toward the face, opening the pores gradually. A warm towel presses softly on the face. Steam particles glow under studio lighting. Macro camera captures pores opening and relaxing under the heat. The aesthetician inspects the skin with a magnifying glass. An assistant organizes cotton pads neatly. Close-up shows the skin analysis screen, displaying a detailed pore map. The assistant applies cleansing gel in soft, circular motions. Gentle massage movements spread the product evenly. Water droplets rinse impurities away, leaving the skin refreshed. Jet black carbon mask is poured into a bowl. A silicone brush dips into the thick formula and spreads it slowly across the cheek, coating the pores deeply. The carbon mask spreads evenly over the nose and other areas. Macro shots show glossy black texture forming across the face. Eventually, the entire face is covered in the mask. Surgical tools are arranged meticulously on a metal tray. Tweezers lie beside spatulas, metal instruments softly clinking under bright studio lights. An assistant adjusts the LED examination light. The carbon mask slowly dries, and the skin beneath tightens slightly as the formula activates. Macro camera captures the mask surface as it begins to crack. Tweezers approach the edge, ready for peeling. The aesthetician prepares carefully for the next step. The tweezers lift the edge of the dried mask. Peeling begins slowly in cinematic style. Sticky texture stretches gently, creating a satisfying ASMR effect. The mask separates gradually from the cheek. Pink, glowing skin becomes visible underneath. An assistant holds the LED light close to highlight the transformation. Peeling continues across the nose bridge. Macro shots reveal clean pores beneath. The aesthetician examines the newly revealed glowing skin. Half of the carbon mask is removed. Assistants watch attentively. Close-up shows the vibrant, smooth skin texture emerging from beneath the mask. A crystal-clear serum bottle shines under lab lighting. The hydra-gun fills with glowing serum. The device approaches the skin carefully. The hydra-gun injects a fine mist of serum. Tiny droplets glisten on the skin, creating a soft macro hydration glow effect. An assistant applies the serum with a glass dropper. Thick, glowing serum spreads evenly, leaving the skin reflecting light like polished glass. Lymphatic massage strokes run slowly across the cheeks. Fingers tap gently, helping the serum absorb deeply into the skin. Rhythmic facial massage continues. The skin glows under soft white light. close-up shows hydrated, smooth texture. The client sits up from the treatment bed. The esthetician hands her a mirror. She touches her smooth, glowing skin for the first time. Macro close-up of glass skin texture. The client smiles confidently. Assistants watch, satisfied with the results. Before and after split screen highlights the dramatic transformation. Dramatic lighting emphasizes the new glow. Cinematic close-up captures perfect skin. The client walks out through the clinic hallway. Glowing skin reflects soft white lights. Slow motion shows her confident smile. The esthetician looks into the camera, giving a calm, professional nod. The clinic logo glows softly in the background. Slow cinematic zoom on the glowing skin. Soft sparkles reflect off the surface. The scene begins to fade into darkness. Black screen appears with a subtle glow. Echoing ASMR tones sound softly in the background. Final fade to black concludes this sequence. The Hydra infusion device sprays a fine glowing mist across the skin. Ultra macro captures tiny serum droplets sparkling under studio lights. Pores visibly tighten and smooth as hydration penetrates deeply. A cooling jade roller glides gently across the glowing cheek. It moves slowly over the forehead, creating relaxing ASMR motion. Macro view highlights porcelain smooth skin, reflecting soft ambient light. The lead esthetician inspects the skin with a magnifying lamp. An assistant adjusts the bright LED ring light above the face. Extreme macro shows the flawless, smooth skin surface under clinical lighting. A glass dropper releases crystal clear serum on the cheek. The serum spreads slowly across the skin, creating a glossy shine. Macro lens captures the skin glowing brighter with every drop. An assistant performs rhythmic facial massage. Macro shots show hydrated skin moving softly under fingertips. The skin reflects light like polished glass under soft studio illumination. The Hydra infusion device glows with soft blue medical light. Mist serum penetrates skin pores in ultra-macro detail. The hydration effect spreads evenly, leaving the cheek luminous. Lymphatic massage strokes run across the jawline. The camera slides across glowing cheek textures, capturing subtle micro-reflections. Skin reflects soft white studio lighting beautifully. A transparent, cooling gel mask is applied smoothly over the skin. It shimmers under bright LED lights, while macro shots capture relaxed, hydrated skin beneath. Assistants carefully arrange surgical skincare tools on a silver tray. The metal reflects bright clinical lights. Wide cinematic shots showcase the futuristic aesthetic lab environment. The gel mask is slowly lifted from the skin. Smooth, glowing cheeks are revealed underneath. An assistant gently wipes the surface with a cotton pad, leaving skin fresh and hydrated. Glowing serum mist sprays evenly across the face. Droplets float in slow motion. Ultra-macro view shows hydrated, glowing pores, capturing every sparkle of light. A warm towel is pressed gently on glowing skin. Steam rises slowly around the face. Soft, diffused lighting accentuates the radiant, hydrated skin surface. An assistant applies finishing cream in slow, deliberate strokes. The cream blends seamlessly into the skin. A porcelain-like glow begins to appear on the cheeks. A bright LED lamp shines over the model's face. Macro shots capture the glass smooth cheek texture. Assistants observe the results proudly, highlighting the final glow. The model slowly sits up from the treatment chair. The esthetician hands her a luxury mirror. She gazes at her reflection, marveling at the luminous transformation. Macro shots show the model's fingertips touching her glowing cheek. Studio lights reflect subtly across the smooth skin. She smiles softly, satisfied with the results. Before and after split screens highlight the dramatic skin transformation. Dramatic glow lighting emphasizes the porcelain effect. Ultra HD macro shows every flawless detail. Assistants clean tools carefully on a silver tray. The esthetician checks the final skin result. The camera slowly zooms on the glowing cheek, capturing the clinical perfection. The model stands in front of a bright mirror. Studio lights reflect off the smooth skin. Her confident smile radiates the beauty transformation. Hair moves in slow motion, accentuating the cinematic mood. Close-ups capture flawless skin texture. Assistants smile in the background, satisfied with the treatment outcome. The model walks through the futuristic clinic hallway. Glowing skin reflects soft white lights. Cinematic tracking captures her movement from behind, highlighting her elegance. The lead esthetician looks directly into the camera. A calm, professional, confident nod signals the completion of the procedure. The bright, futuristic lab glows softly behind her. Extreme macro captures the glowing cheek skin. Subtle sparkles dance across the surface. Cinematic beauty close-ups highlight the flawless skin finish. Slow zoom focuses on the glass skin